Hey everyone, wanted to show you some really cool ways you can animate in Spline. What I'm working on right now is the hero image for Zozo's website. So this animation is going to be playing on the website. So really excited for that. So pretty much what happens is just want to make sure I have everything. So what you want to do is Spline works with states, right? So you can add as many states as you want, but I tend to play with two. So you have your base state, which is the default state, and then you have the state that you want to animate it to, or the state you want to change it to. So in this case, I'm gonna add an event, and it's gonna happen on start. And I'm actually just gonna take real quick the values. Okay, so what I want to do here is AJ's image. We're going to do spring. That's my husky. 5. Okay, and then I believe for this guy we did 0.5, 100. Yeah. This is also going to be on start. And we're going to do spring, 5, 100, and 5. So now what happens is, when I press play, when this image loads, this is what it's going to look like first, right? But when I click play, you see? So, boom. It looks like a message is coming through. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. And it's a little fast for my liking. So I might just put like a 0.5 delay on it. See what that looks like. That looks a lot better. Okay, so then what happens is that message comes in, and then what's really cool is I can go ahead and tap here, and the beta invite pops up. So if I click play, got you. And that's exactly how, Zozo works, essentially. So what I'm going to do, though, to make sure that the user doesn't have to click here, what I'm going to do is I'm actually not going to do a mouse down, right? What's going to happen is on start, this base state is going to be, I'm going to change this color to like a dark blue, indicating it's been pressed. I knew that wasn't going to work. Damn. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of this state. And actually, I'm going to start from default. So I'm going to come into this rectangle here. And I'm going to add a couple states here. So it's a base state. I'm going to make this just a little deeper blue. And let me just make sure this looks good. Perfect. And then what I want to do is go to event, start, rectangle. Let's do duration 0.5, delay of 0.5. I just want to see what this looks like. And I think I need to make it repeat a cycle. Rewind. There it is. Okay, so then, perfect. So then what I need to do is I need to add the start animations for this. And we're going to do spring. And this is going to be 0.5. It's going to be 5. It's going to be a 0.7 delay. And then again on start, it's going to be a spring, and 100.5, 5, and it's going to be 0.75 delay. And I'm going to head back on to get rid of this state. Less to load. Delay here should be 0.6. There it is. So let's see if I just slow this down just a little. 0.8 and 0.85. I mean, that is so hot. So now we got this beautiful animation. Wow. And yeah, this is pretty much essentially explaining or showing what Zozo can do. So you essentially create shortcuts for photos, URLs, text phrases, documents, and you turn on Zozo's keyboard in your device's settings. And then after that, you have access to all the shortcuts you create in the app from within the keyboard. And whenever you want to use it, you just tap a shortcut and Zozo will paste it for you. So in this case, I created a URL shortcut, and when I use it, it pastes the shortcut for me. So I think this, honestly, I kind of want to play with the spring animation here. I'm going to do the same values. Let's see what that looks like. That's definitely not good. Let's nah, I like to ease out. Ease in, ease out. Let's try cubic actually. No, ease in and out. Let's try this again. Yeah, perfect. I love it. So yeah, guys, really, really loving Spline. If you want me to create even more videos like this, go ahead and wave or put a comment below on my YouTube channel or tweet, whatever it may be. But loving Spline. Going to be diving into Spline game controls soon, so stay tuned.